नमस्ते, आई एम आरती चावला एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इंडियन ब्लिंग गर्ल। आज की इस वीडियो में आप ये देखोगे कि मैं 5 मिनट में अपना मेकअप कैसे करती हूँ। जब कभी मुझे रश होता है, घाई होती है, तो मैं ऐसे फास्ट मेकअप कर लेती हूँ एंड मुझे इसके लिए सिर्फ 6 प्रोडक्ट्स लगे, कुछ ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी। आज से पहले आपने हर वीडियोस में देखा है कि मैंने स्टेप बाय स्टेप फेस्टिव ग्लैम या सॉफ्ट पिंक मेकअप और डेट नाइट लुक मेकअप ये सब किया है एंड वो थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होता है क्योंकि मैंने हर स्टेप एकदम अच्छे से आपको एक्सप्लेन करते हुए बताया है। प्लस इट टुक अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोसीजर्स टू कंप्लीट द फेस एंड बट ये मेकअप लुक में मुझे बिल्कुल ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं लगे हैं एंड या आई एम लाइक फुल्ली हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड विद दिस। एंड वैसे मैं जनरली 12-15 मिनट में मेकअप कर लेती हूँ, कहीं मुझे घाई रहती है और जाना रहता है तो भी, पर आज मुझे 5 मिनट्स में करने में बहुत मज़ा आया। ये थोड़ा मेरे को बीच में मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि यार मुझसे नहीं होगा, बट देन आई डिड इट एंड यू विल सी द बिफोर एंड आफ्टर ahead in the video. So without wasting much time now, let's get started. Hi guys, I'm here with my bare face. I have only moisturized my face and here is my timer and you will be able to hear the timer when it beeps after 5 minutes. So without wasting much time, let's start. And I'm quickly starting the timer. 1, 2 and 3. So first I'll grab my PAC ka primer, apply that onto my T-zones. Then I'll grab my foundation and apply that with my beauty blender. So I'll directly dab the sponge and take the product on this and just dab it everywhere equally and try to blend it and hide some imperfections and make my skin look even. I just will dab quickly. Not forgetting the neck even when you are in a hurry. So yeah, I think I'm done with my base. Not doing much for regular bases and casual outing if I'm in a hurry or I need to reach somewhere quickly. So I'll quickly just bronze my face a little bit, not much. Okay. And a little bit here as well. We're contouring. I have 2.28 minutes left. Okay, the same goes on my eyelids too for little definition. Not much. I'll quickly go with my brows. Oh god, I'm getting late. No time to fill it in properly. I literally don't have time to take my hairs out of my face. But yeah, whatever. I'm okay with my eyebrows. What to do? Where's my lipstick? Okay. So I'm using this lipstick. This is my favorite one. Using the same sponge, only 27 seconds left. Oh god. I thought I'll be able to do my lash curling, but I really don't have time for that also. Oh god. Now I'm done. So yeah, this is it guys. I think I have done a pretty decent job and I have used 6 products. The first one was Pack ka not so basic shine kill primer. Uske baad I used my L'Oreal Infallible ka foundation in the shade 105 medium beige. Then I went ahead and contoured my face with a Sugar palette in the shade 01. Then I went ahead and I did my eyebrows with this Brow on Point pencil with by Nykaa and इसको बंद करने का मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला. Then I did my mascara जल्दी से the Hyper Curl one by Maybelline and this lip tint I used as on my lips and plus blush, and look at how beautifully it has given me that blushed sheen and effect and that glow which I love. And yeah, this is the shade Blush Velvet and I swear by this. I can rely on this lipstick even during the day and the night time with my smoky eyes or something. So I'm loving this totally. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it and yeah, let me open my hair. Yeah. So yeah guys, this is my final look and here is the before and after. So yeah, this is it, and I think this video will be really helpful for people who always are in a hurry or some lazy girls out there like me. So the offices are now about to start, and if you have any sudden Zoom meetings or any video calls which you need to make it urgently, so you can do this kind of quick easy makeup, and this challenge was pretty fun. Plus I was worried in the middle that yaar hoga ke nahi, but yeah, it turned out really nice because in general I do take 10 to 15 minutes to get properly ready. So आज 5 minutes में ready होके मजा आ गई और yeah, I did a pretty decent job. खाली मुझे लगा था कि I will have time to use eyelash curler, but no, I was pretty late for that. So, but I really enjoyed the video. I think for this I should give a pat on my back because I have done a pretty good, decent job, and I enjoy doing this, challenge. So yeah guys, this was it for today's video. Don't forget that I'm planning a cute giveaway for all of you, so please stay tuned. If you're new on my channel, please just subscribe to my channel. Do share this video with your friends and do let me know what products do you guys use to quickly do your makeup. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Mwah.